Here's a checklist for what you can expect during the solar eclipse today. Starting about an hour before totality of the eclipse, depending on where you are, you're going to be able to see the moon start taking a bigger and bigger bite out of the sun. The shadows that are cast during this eclipse are going to be different than usual. Normally the edges of your shadows under a full sun are a little bit fuzzy. That's because the light rays are being produced at infinite angles. During the eclipse, the light from the moon is going to be shining in a more uniform direction, and this is going to cause your shadows to be very crisp and sharp. If your day started out sunny and bright, it's probably going to appear overcast and cloudy as the day goes on because the moon is starting to cover the sun. When the eclipse reaches totality, something called the corona appears. This is when it's safe to look at it without damaging your eyes. The corona is the sun's outer atmosphere, and it appears as like a wispy white edge around the sun. A full eclipse is the only time you'll ever be able to see this. Another effect this will have is you should expect the temperature to drop at least 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Another way to tell if the totality is nearing is that animals are going to start acting a little bit different. Birds might be chirping, nocturnal animals may become active. They have instincts that we don't have, and they're able to tell when it's coming. And finally, after totality, all the events that I've discussed are going to start happening, but in reverse. It will now look like the sun is taking bites out of the moon, and everything's going to happen again, but in the opposite direction, and then it's going to be over.